Okay, you're on camera.
So here's the problem. I need it on the phone then too. So we're
Oh, give me the phone. I can work them both. I'm ambidextrous.
Try that one again.
Ambidextrous.
Okay.
I can do two things at once.
Okay, so listen, I'm gonna keep this quick. People were asking a little bit about the build on the Shelby.
You want to look at the car?
Yeah. So yeah.
Move over here a little bit.
I'm gonna do this really quick, guys.
That's long.
What's long?
Go ahead. Let's do it quick.
Okay. We're the second owner of this car. We are not the original owners. We did not modify the hood and the frame and all that good stuff. We just got this car done. It is a true Shelby car. I know we've been asked that a lot. It is a 429 Boss Hemi NASCAR engine in the car. Roush actually did the frame on the car, and we are currently working on a second motor that's going to be a straight motor. It's going to have higher horsepower than even this because we want to preserve the Boss 429. We don't want to hurt this motor. It is fully functional and on an E85 right now, and it is a hoot. As you guys have heard, this thing idles incredible, sounds amazing, and it's a really fun car, guys. We've got a lot more videos to come on this. We want to give you a quick update. Obviously, we can't drive it right now. It's snowing here in Pennsylvania.
You ready?
All this hype better sound good, because it did sound good. It sounded good before.
I just don't know what to say.
He ripped off an exhaust that sounded amazing.
I mean, just
it better sound good now.
Well, we're all hearing it for the first time together, right? So it could sound like a fart, and it's staying on the car. So it don't matter what it sounds like at this point because it ain't coming back off. It's been on and off 4 times. We're done. It looks good. Kind of like me. Looks good, so it should sound good.
The tires are over here, not on the car. That's alright. It's fine to start it up. That'd be good.
Yeah, should be fine.
just send it.
Should be good. Let's see. Should be good. And without further ado, here we go.
It's cold start, by the way.
Cold start.